Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program, a simple calculator using OOP, no, or Object Oriented Programming in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my websites. It has been a while since I uploaded a tutorial video about programming and coding, no? So this is it now. We will just have a walkthrough, no, of the code. So we have here sharp include IOStream for input output. To have an object-oriented program in C++, we declare the word or keyword class, calculator, and then public, no? So we have several functions: add, subtract, multiply, divide, which has a data type of double. So when we say public, we can access the function anywhere in our program. And then in the divide, if not equal 0, a divided by b, else division by 0 is not allowed. Let's say 0 divided by any number. So in main, we have two variables, num1, num2, which has also the same data type. If you are new with computer programming, if the variable here has a data type of double, it should be uniform throughout the body of our program. Or else there will create a type mismatch, no, error. So the title of our program is Simple Calculator using OOP in C++. In this portion of our code, it will ask to give two numbers and then operation. And then calc, calling the class calculator, and then we create an object calc. Double result, switch operation. So plus for addition here, calling the function, minus, multiply and divide, and then we have also here invalid operator. Okay, result end of program return 0, return to our operating system. Let us run the code. Okay, my simple calculator using OP in C++. Let's say we have 6 and 2. What operator that we want? Let's say divide. So we have 3. Another example. Let's say 10 and 2. 10 and 2. Operation, we have plus. For addition, we have the result of 12. Another example. We have 8 and 12. And say what operation? Minus. So we have negative 4. Okay, last operations, multiply. 9 and 3, 4. We multiply, we come up with 36. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on my simple calculator using object-oriented programming in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.